Happy Easter, friends! It's actually not Easter. Bleh. It's actually not Easter today, but it's going to be Easter in a couple of days. And I love Easter. It's just such a nice, colorful, happy, spiritual, gorgeous time of the year.
And the color of nature is green, and the color of Easter is also green. It's like it's a year of rebirth and life.
Yeah, it is. Did you guys hear my 8-year-old? He's wise beyond his years. Did you learn that at school? Today I wanted to do something for Easter. I have to make some hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, I believe, originated in England, but they are huge over here in Australia. I don't remember them growing up in the States. Do you guys, in the States, any of you guys, did you guys have hot cross buns growing up? And if you did, share your experiences down below because we love hearing from you guys. So what I was saying is it's a big deal here in Australia, hot cross buns, but I don't really know what they taste like, so I don't know why I signed up for them. Like, it doesn't make any sense for the American to sign up for the thing that she doesn't really know how to do or doesn't remember having them when she's younger. But I'm all about the challenge. I'm all about taking something that I don't know, a skill that I don't know, a recipe that I don't know, something I don't know, learning it, and meeting that challenge, I guess. So that's what we're gonna do today. And we're also going to be making some sort of an Easter decoration, because one thing that I really want to do when I'm completely out of debt is start scaling up my holiday decorations. I love holidays. I love decorating. I love all of that joy it brings. I love the color changing throughout the year. I love the vibe that it gives. I just really love the different holidays and seasons. So I figured it would be a really good day to get some Easter decorations under my belt, because I do have some things that I found in my craft boxes as I was going through things. I found them and I thought, I could turn that into something and put it up as my first official Easter decoration. And then next year, when I'm completely out of debt, or later this year even, I can really start scaling up my holiday and seasonal decorations. So let's get into this video.
I come to you in times of trouble. You're always resting at my door.
Oh, tiny eggs!
You like those?
Yeah. And the peanut covered in clay.
That would have been a Hamish. All right, guys, what we're gonna do is the kids are each gonna choose a frame because they're going to use this. Okay, there you go.
Oh, actually, no, this one's nicer. I like this one.
Yeah, I like that one. They're gonna do a nice Easter picture here on this paper, and then they're going to also have a frame which they can decorate however they want, all the stuff on here. So you guys can either start with your frame, or you can start with your picture.
We were all decorating a flame picture.
Yeah, you can decorate the frame however you want. Does that excite you or something?
Yes.
I am going to use this wreath right here. I glued this on like years ago and it's kind of sparse. I've got these flowers here, some left over from, if you saw when I did a wreath for my husband's niece, sorry, my husband's cousin. If you saw that video, then you would have seen that I used her wedding flowers to make her a wreath, and I have just a few things left over. Not much, just some dried flowers, which will be so beautiful to use in an Easter wreath.
My mom said to find a pencil. I found one.
That's way too big, Macy.
I have another one that was like broken.
Oh, okay.
Look at this.
All right.
Perfection.
Come on.
Oh. This is so straight and perfect. It makes me happy.
So we've got some watercolor if they want to paint in afterwards with watercolor. We've got some yarn. We've got some random letters. We've got some glue. We've got little tiny clothespins. We've got some Easter eggs. And this is my stuff here that I'm gonna be using. And then we've got some glue sticks there. And we've got excited children. And a mess behind my children, which is what I'm working on in a different video right now, is getting all the clutter out. So here's what we've got going on. I just wanted to show that all to you, and then we're just going to work and we're going to talk and enjoy each other's company. I'll probably put some music over, and if there's something that's relevant to you guys, then I'll pop it on here. So, yay.
And all that I can sing is thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You alone can see me clearly, even in my deep despair. In the giving we receive it. Show me how to meet you there. Gratefully and humbly I give you everything.
Arnaldo. It's a kitty egg.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I need my eggs to dry, so I'm just going to run over and work on the hot cross buns and let the kids keep going with their creations, because theirs are a lot more of a bigger project since they've got frames and pictures to do. So they're gonna be here for quite a while.
Gratefully and humbly I give you everything. And all that I can sing is thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right, I needed oranges and sultanas. I got these ones here because they also have little apricot pieces in it. I thought that sounded really nice. Plus these were on sale, so happy day. Okay, first thing we need is 9 grams. All right, we got 10 grams of yeast. Then we need a half a cup of sugar. Uh-oh, I should have grated the sugar first. 1, 2. I wanted to show you how coarse this sugar is before I powder it. This is how you can know if it's fine enough. You open that up, and then if it looks like smoke coming out the top, it's pretty fine. Do you see how fine that got? Don't breathe in the sugar. Yeast, ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon. What do you reckon? I'm not really a huge fan of clove. I have it. Maybe I should just stick it in. Cinnamon, I'm a big fan of. Nutmeg, a little goes a long way. Just plate that by ear, and we're just gonna hope for the best. Oh man, I just realized I haven't doubled this recipe. It's okay, let's see if it even tastes good. All right, Here's the salt. Here's my pretend teaspoon. It's gone in. And then we need to add in the butter, milk, egg, sultanas, and zest. It has gotten dark all of a sudden, so I'm going to try and give us some light. Let's try this again. Do you guys like when I use this light? Does that help? I feel like it helps, but you guys let me know if you would rather just natural light, even if it's a bit darker, or if you like the light. Macy has finished her frame. I adore that. Do you love it?
Yes.
Now we've got to zest the oranges.
Oh, can I do it? Please.
Yeah. Okay, when you zest, make sure that you don't get, when it's white, so it's like literally like two. Boom, 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 okay?
Yes.
And just stop when it gets like that, okay? And do both of them.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good in here.
I didn't put the flour in there. Oh my gosh. How do you forget the flour in a recipe?
I've done that so many times before.
Have you?
Yeah.
It's like the most important part of
Like, I'm like, okay, I'm making cookies. I've put in eggs, I've put in butter, I've put in this. I don't think I'm missing anything. And then right when I'm about to like blend it all together, I'm like, wait a minute, flour.
4 and 1/4 cup flour. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a fourth. So we've done our flour, yeast, sugar, allspice, cinnamon, salt, butter, milk, egg, sultana zest. So I've got my milk here. It's warm. Just gonna pour that milk in. I used powdered milk because I had it and the kids don't like to drink it or use it in their cereal, so I'm gonna bake with it. And we need how much sultanas? 1.5 cups. Whoa, that's a lot. That's a lot of sultanas. 1 and a half. That was perfect. Cool. 50 grams of butter. We're just going to measure this out. It's enough. So, just going to scoop out a little bit of this butter. Stick that in there and see if that's 50 grams. Perfect. The Thermomix has a dough function, so I'm just going to stick dough, and let it go for a little bit. We need a, I'm gonna oil this slightly. Avocado oil. Actually, butter. Let's do that. Take this melted room temperature butter. I'm just going to put it on the bottom there. Just going to rub the butter all over the bowl, like so. It's not supposed to be an extremely sticky dough, but it is. Come here, buddy. Smell this dough. Smell it.
Oh.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, we just gotta let it rise now.
And then you just need to put it in those squares. And then you need the frosting to go over it.
Okay, so we're going to set this aside with a tea towel over the top, a nice clean towel over the top. And we will set it aside and we will be back in 30 minutes to 2 hours. Coco, no! Coco! No! Oh my gosh.
That was so close.
They're not super smooth, but it's okay. We're going to brush them with some egg white.
I can hear you call my name. I can hear you call my name. I can hear you call my name. Come to the table, cup runneth over. Come drink your fill and be well. Oh, I can hear you call my
No.
I can hear you call my name. Oh, I can hear you call my name. You come to the valley, come lay your head down, come rest your feet by the river of life. Come to the pasture, rest by the fire, rest as the wind blows over the plain.
You put the cream on it?
Yeah, put everything on it. You choose one. Which one do you want?
I get one?
Yeah, I'm gonna let you have one. I don't think that they're for tomorrow, but.
But delicious.
And let's go outside. That's hot. What do you think of it? Is it good? It's hot. Careful.
So good. Happy Easter!
I can hear you call my name.
Happy Easter! See you next time.
Call
Bye!
my name.
Bye, guys.
I can hear you call my name. Come to the pasture, lie by the river. Come drink your fill and be well. Come to the table, cup runneth over. Come drink your fill